Welcome to another Exness tutorial video. Today we will show you how to deposit funds into your Exness trading account with mobile money in Ghana. To begin, log into your Exness personal area and navigate to the deposit section. Select mobile money from the available payment methods. Choose your desired trading account from the drop-down menu here. Enter the amount you wish to deposit, noting the minimum and maximum amounts here. The amount entered will be displayed here. Once done, click here to continue. The next page will show a summary of your deposit action. To make any changes, you can click back to return to the previous step. If you are happy with the summary, click here to continue. Enter the mobile number linked to your Exness account and mobile money account, then click here. The next step will depend on your cellular provider. Please follow the on-screen instructions carefully to continue. If you need to generate a voucher, the USSD steps required will be shown and must be completed using your mobile phone. Once the instructions have been followed, the deposit will begin to be processed and will soon reflect in your Exness trading account. Thank you for choosing Exness.